One day I have asked one of the kids that please switch on your camera, please. I can't teach you like this. Then he said that, sir, I'm on a commode, so right now I can't. So now due to this,
Yeah, he was
so
taking a dump.
yeah, so
And
I said that's commendable. I really appreciate your multitasking behavior. I mean that.
ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I welcome you to yet another episode of What's Your Job? Today I have three amazing people with me. The first couple of this season, What's Your Jobs, is here with me, and they are very good friends of mine. I have been knowing them from our college days. It's been a long time, almost a decade, but still, the camaraderie remains. In fact, the third guest that we have today is Alankrita Srivastava. That's the only thing I would tell about her right now because Shubhrojit and Madhavanti, they have a task of identifying, decoding, revealing Alankrita's profession. Will they be able to do it? Will they be able to do it easily? Or it'll make them sweat? Let's see. Without much ado, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome Mr. Shubhrojit Ganguly and Madhavanti Ganguly now, of course. Could you please switch on your camera?
There's a correction that I would want to go for. I am
Okay.
Madhuvanti Mitro, born as and will die as. It has never changed. And I don't know what for people just imagine that I'm going to be a Ganguly. I've never done anything to do with Ganguly clan other than marrying this guy. And
Great,
that doesn't
great.
change anything.
She
I
also
love
would
this
like to play
concept.
cricket as well.
I love this concept. Even when I got married and my wife asked that, "Do you want me to change my surname?" I said, "Definitely not. Why? मतलब नाम से क्या होता है? Why will I want नाम से क्या होता है? काम करो."
There's just a slight difference. I didn't even ask. I just assumed that I'm not supposed to. Because he
Absolutely,
didn't. Why
absolutely,
should
yes. Absolutely, I agree to that,
I?
and this is commendable, definitely. And I'm with you
Thank you.
for this.
Yeah.
Great. So the next participant, the third guest for today, I would like to welcome Miss Alankrita Srivastava. If you could please switch on your camera.
Hi.
Oh yeah, same Alankrita I met say about 6 years back in Delhi. How have you been?
Yeah, the only difference is that I'm married now. So I'm Mrs. Alankrita, not just still Srivastava, not Datta Gupta yet.
Okay, man. Great.
He bongs out
Same.
here.
Oh, great. Everybody's getting married, man. I don't know, like most of the people I have met in the past 6 months, digitally, of course, they have given the news. Only thing is, I'm married. What do you think? What is the reason for this? People are vela this lockdown.
Yeah, maybe.
I mean, there is a requirement of socialization, right? In this lockdown, we have realized that how people actually mean to us. So even we were friends for the last 10 years when I was with you in college. Then also we were friends. So we are just
Oh,
friends. Suddenly we have decided let's get married.
oh,
Yeah, we were
I
like
got
high
married
hyper friends.
to I
yes,
got
Madhu.
married to Rahul before lockdown happened. And this is in the second lockdown, we have been away from each other. Like he's in Bangalore right now, and I'm here in Delhi. So we're enjoying our bachelorhood post marriage as well.
Oh my God.
You know, bong husbands are best as boyfriends. That's my theory. After so many
Quite a
years.
revelation. I don't know if Rahul is hearing this, but I'm sure he'll see
He's
this.
gonna hear this. And that's the
And
best.
I'm very sorry I cannot pass comment on that because Shubhrajit and I never went through a boyfriend phase.
Actually,
I mean, like we were friends, and one freaking day we are like, what the hell are we doing? Let's get married. So I have, like I've known him more as a husband, less as a
It's
boyfriend.
just
so.
like कि घर में अंडे खत्म हो गए भाई अंडा नहीं अच्छा ले आते हैं just like that. Yeah,
Yeah,
literally.
because we kind of were like evaluating our life, and we kind of felt that we have been the only constants in our life for the last decade. So yeah.
I have known Rahul on and off as boyfriend for 7 years before I got married to him. And after that, I realized that no matter what, we want to get away from each other. Also, life, destiny brings us together in some or the other way. Like we started working together. I started my career with him. He was my boss that time. So I started my career with him. So then I realized that, okay, बहुत पढ़ते हैं पहले मैंने
इतना आपने बता दिया अब क्या कौन सी कंपनी थी वो
No. Was
हाँ.
that's it.
Wow.
That's it. I know when three people who like to converse, very good.
Why did you stop
communicators.
her? Yeah, I wanted her to talk more.
Cool,
I
cool,
knew
cool.
that I have made that sentence in my head.
Great. I am sure you've watched the last couple of videos where people were trying almost very hard to get into the profession, but then I had to stop them because that's the game, right? So similarly, I would stop Alankrita right here, and she's into a very noble profession. This much first hint I'll give you all, and every profession is very noble.
खाली teacher और doctor ही बोलते हैं noble profession.
Oh. Are they? Is Alankrita a teacher doctor? We'll get to know in some time. Let's see. Okay, great. So, Shubhrajit and Madhuvanti, are you all ready? You all know the rules. It's very simple. 9 questions. You can
Correct.
ask Alankrita, and she only has yes, no, and maybe to answer your questions. Okay. So, what you can do is you can start off with an umbrella, like as most of the people in the videos they have done, and then break it down. And I'm sure by the end of the 9th, or I think for you all, let's have a target of 6 questions. I'm sure you all will get it by the end of 6 questions. Otherwise, 9 questions you all definitely have, and I'm definitely confident you all will get it over here. Cool. So, Alankrita, you ready?
Yep.
Okay. And Shubhajit, Madhuvanti, you all are ready?
Yeah.
absolutely.
Cool. So 3, 2, 1. Over to you.
Okay, so hi Alankrita once again.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Can
sure.
you hear us? Yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay.
Let's ask her about whether she's independently working
Yeah,
or
self-employed or
self-employed. Yeah.
Okay, Alankrita. So, are you self-employed?
No.
That means you are like in a corporate setup or
9 to 5 job.
9 to 5
typical
job.
Boring 9 to
typically.
5 job. It
No,
actually
not a 9 to
leads
5
people
job.
to do startup
Oh,
or
it's
something.
no, she said
Oh no.
it's not a. We have wasted 2 questions. Wait.
No, we have a one question. That is a part of it. We said we can use the umbrella, right? So, am I right?
Was it a
Mirzada?
part of the question, Mirzada, or were it 2 questions?
It was a part of the question, so it counts
Oh,
as
okay.
one question. And Alankrita, you
Okay,
can only
thank you.
say yes, no. That's it. Don't give them extra hints. Otherwise, they'll get confused.
Wait,
So
next
she's not into
question.
corporate. She's not a self-employed. I think she must be doing a boring job in that.
No, she said no.
She said no.
You asked no. Do you do a boring job?
No, I said
Oh, she
no.
said 9 to. She said no to 9 to 5
9 to
jobs.
5, right?
Did you say no to? Okay.
Okay.
So
I think 9 to 5 job may or may
that
not be
would be
boring,
so
right?
mean if we
No.
if we ask.
But
Are you
let's
doing
go ahead. Okay.
Okay, Alankrita, a very mean question. Are you doing a very boring job?
Not at all.
Okay.
Okay.
Not a 9 to 5, not
So,
boring.
She must be
Not
following her
corporate.
passion. Must be following her passion in that case. Right. And
Following passion. Okay, let's look at her. It's very mean to guess somebody's age, but she kind of looks like like our generation.
yes,
Correct?
absolutely.
So for them, following their passion must not be engineering.
No,
medicine.
because in our generation we already have 3 idiots.
Yeah.
So let's not talk about engineering and
So
medical.
photography,
So
uh,
it could be
media.
creative. Could be
It
creative.
could be creative.
So media is an
media.
umbrella. Right?
So creative mein photography could be there, fashion designing could be there.
Yeah. So basically,
Uh,
media is a big umbrella. I mean, it is much bigger
No,
than
I'm
the
talking
umbrella.
about, following your passion.
Yeah. The photography. Oh, Farhan.
इसीलिए तो
photography.
photography बोला यार, 3
हाँ,
idiots.
और क्या कौन सी मूवी आई थी इसमें पैशन फॉलो करने बोलते थे? फरहान था। यूट्यूबर हो सकते हैं।
YouTuber हो सकता है,
YouTuber.
correct. No, YouTuber, but yeah.
Okay, so let's ask the biggest umbrella. I mean, okay, so if she is creative and if she is following her passion, then according to Abdul Kalam, सपने वो हैं जो आपको सोने नहीं देते. Right.
Correct.
So,
Nice
so,
one.
so do you get enough sleep?
Yeah.
Alankrita?
At times.
So we are on the right track.
I know यार, at
Okay,
times
okay.
she said. Okay.
Okay.
मीडिया पे सोच, मीडिया
Media.
या फैशन पे सोच, फैशन या मीडिया, बिकॉज
Hmm.
दीज आर द टू जॉब्स जिसमें सोने नहीं, अब मीडिया पे यार टीवी पे भी हो सकती है.
यार वो मेरा एक दोस्त था, वो कुछ नहीं करता है फिर भी नहीं सोता है वो.
अरे वो छोड़ यार.
ऐसे सोचेंगे तो फिर नहीं होगा.
नहीं, I think she said it's not a boring job.
Yeah,
तो
it's not a
मतलब
boring job.
corporate नहीं है.
Corporate नहीं. Corporate में भी सोने नहीं देते, ऐसा नहीं है.
But she said it's not corporate.
Not
No, 9 to
corporate.
5 corporate
9 to 5
नहीं है.
corporate नहीं है, boring नहीं है.
Boring नहीं.
She's following her passion.
She's following her passion. I think.
ज्यादा सो नहीं पा रही है, मतलब
हाँ.
I mean.
Okay, एक simple सा बात पूछते हैं कि because see media में भी there are so many verticals, right?
Correct.
So does she work with equipments and all, or does
Means
she
technical
part
the
or
creative-
ideation part, creative part?
Now we have to ask only one
One
question.
question, wait.
Either technical or ideation, right?
Wait.
Technically ideation.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. Okay.
There is nothing.
How many questions do we have left? How many questions do we have left, Mirzada?
You all have a lot of questions. Only 4 questions done.
Oh, 4 questions done. So
Okay, so-
5 questions we have.
Yeah, so we can ask one after the other. So let's go for the technical one first.
Okay.
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 So
Do you work with any kind of technical tools?
Maybe.
oh God. Hey,
Yes or
you're
no?
supposed to say yes or no.
Maybe भी था.
So
Maybe.
I'll take this. Like maybe mostly it is yes, because if you don't have a tool, the final output or basically the the final result, it becomes a little difficult. If you have a tool,
Okay.
final result is a little polished.
Yes.
Okay.
Confused हो गए.
It is actually-
Oh, so it means it is a profession जिसमें tool नहीं भी होगा तो चलेगा. So like not photography.
not photography.
Photography में आपके
Not
पास
editing.
tool नहीं है. हाँ, not
editing.
editing.
When we are thinking in terms of media only. So not photography,
Not
not
photography,
editing, not
editing,
animation,
Not animation.
not even filmmaking.
Correct. Fashion हो सकता है.
Fashion.
Fashion you don't need tools. मतलब tools होगा तो तुम्हारा polished होगा outcome. लेकिन
हाँ,
you know,
yeah.
मतलब if you have like those kinds of sewing
Even-
machine.
Even in media, I think. Okay. Let's ask the next part, na ideation part.
हाँ.
Okay, so,
So, do you-
Alankrita,
Yeah.
I mean, does your work involves ideation?
Ideation.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Now it is getting a bit easier, right?
Easier.
I mean, if she is into ideation,
Okay.
that means definitely she's in media, right?
Media.
I mean, somewhere or the other. she is
Somewhere
in
the
media.
yeah.
So, and as Mirzada already said that
Tool चाहिए भी होगा.
नहीं भी
नहीं
चाहिए
भी
होगा, वो
चाहिए
ज्यादा पॉलिश होगा, तो आइडिएशन
दो
टूल को
चीज
हटा
मेरे
के
को
सोचते हैं, टूल
दो
को
दो
हटा के
चीज मेरे को
ideation,
लग रहा है. एक तो फैशन जैसे कि मैंने बोला बिकॉज फैशन इज
उसमें नहीं
वेरी
चाहिए. दूसरा राइटिंग हो सकता है.
राइटिंग हो सकता है.
राइटिंग हो सकता है.
राइटिंग में यू नीड ओनली पेन एंड पेपर, नो टूल्स.
Exactly.
अभी
मैं-
पेन एंड पेपर
अभी
को
देखो
tool
एक
में
सॉफ्टवेयर है फाइनल ड्राफ्ट स्क्रिप्ट लिखने का,
हाँ.
वो नहीं भी होगा तो चलेगा. यू कैन माने you
For
can
example, Grammarly नहीं भी होगा चलेगा.
नहीं भी होगा
मतलब
तो चलेगा.
even if you
If I have
think-
you with me,
अरे
who is
यार,
a grammar
shut up.
Nazi, so I don't need Grammarly. I have uninstalled Grammarly.
No,
already.
but even
So-
I am saying, even if we mean a laptop by
Hmm.
tool, fashion and writing, these are the two professions जिसमें laptop
Laptop
नहीं
भी
भी
नहीं
होने
चाहिए,
से
phone
नहीं
भी नहीं
चलेगा.
चाहिए.
हाँ,
Correct,
phone भी नहीं
correct.
चाहिए. You just need pen and paper or your clothes.
So let's go for the right.
So
right.
can we ask like that? Are you? Or can we ask like that? Like
how
can
many questions are remaining? Mirza?
three?
Y'all,
no?
y'all have 3 more questions.
अच्छा, can we ask like that? I mean, profession का नाम लेके can we
Ah,
ask?
ah, ah, absolutely, absolutely.
Okay,
So, are
so-
you into fashion?
No.
Oh God. Left with two.
I
Writing.
think this is the first no out of all the 8 questions, 7 questions y'all asked. Y'all are absolutely in the right direction, and this is the first no. So you can just go back to the basics, and y'all will be there. I'm sure.
Fashion तो नहीं है.
तो writing का
Writing. अब
पूछ
देख
लो.
writing भी बहुत बड़ा है. ठीक है. Writing is a huge area. I mean, she
There's-
could be
There's a copywriter, content
content writer, a journalist,
a
simple
journalist,
I
a
mean,
columnist,
a columnist,
she can
blogger.
be a blogger.
Not blogger. हाँ.
But no, एक minute.
tool चाहिए नहीं चाहिए.
ब्लॉगर के लिए टूल
tool
चाहिए
चाहिए
होगा.
उसके लिए tool चाहिए. और देखो आजकल कोई ऐसा न्यूज़पेपर है क्या जो बिना
हाँ,
तुम
न्यूज़पेपर
लिखो-
में you can, because I know a friend from ABP. He used to write copies मतलब हाथ से.
हाथ से लिख
हाँ,
के
and then he had somebody who would type it out for him. So
तो बिना टूल का एक न्यूज़पेपर आता है
newspaper आता है.
और बिना टूल का
कंटेंट बिना टूल का हो सकता है, लेकिन it's not that easy because content में you have to
See, the
always
point is
put,
right now during
Hmm.
during this pandemic it is impossible to do something without tool because now we are technologically driven, right? So
no, what we have to think is तुम क्या कर सकते हो बिना टूल के भी, जो कि टूल रहता है तो बेटर है.
better. So writing तो है ही. मतलब
राइटिंग तो है,
में
लेकिन
क्या है,
राइटिंग में
that is-
क्या है?
We have 2 more questions, right, Mirzada?
Yes.
Okay, so she's into writing. She said that.
No, she didn't. We didn't ask that.
So let's ask whether she is into writing or not.
You
Then
know
we will
what-
left with one question.
Okay.
See, ideation without tool, we have.
अच्छा, ideation, रुक. Ideation, journalism ideation में आएगा क्या? Journalism is commenting,
Yeah, narrative journalism.
but that is also commenting.
That
That is
is-
not
That's
ideation.
not-
She's
correct. That's not
ideating.
creative. That's not creative.
That's not
Nowadays,
creative.
journalism
Yes,
is creative.
but
But,
yeah,
yeah,
let's
but
not go there.
Ethically, it's not creative.
Ethically, it's not creative. It's
So-
commenting upon the society.
Yeah.
You have to think about
So, journalism गया.
गया. तो blogging
Blogging तो tool चाहिए.
blogging का tool चाहिए,
Tool
छोड़.
चाहिए.
तो फिर content writing, copywriting और बता?
Content में भी tool चाहिए ना.
नहीं, content you can write without tools.
You are also content
I
writer.
have been a
was-
content
yeah,
writer
Both of
for-
us were,
yeah.
but we have used tools.
We've used
Right.
tools, but I have been to एक company का नाम नहीं लूंगी because it's a online thing. I have been there as a content writer का exam. They have not.
Exam I have also given.
हाँ, they've
You
not
have
provided
written.
me anything handwritten.
Um,
And I have written for my previous companies also handwritten. उसमें कुछ नहीं है. So content writing you can do.
Content writing हो सकता है. Content writing हो सकता है और
एक काम करते हैं, content writing पूछते हैं, अगर नहीं होगा तो फिर two questions we have
2
left.
questions left. Yeah.
No? 2 copywriting पूछ लेंगे.
content writing.
उसके बाद में नहीं हुआ तो then we'll think.
Yes. Actually,
क्योंकि
उसके
उसके बाद
नहीं रहेगा,
questions नहीं
questions
पूछेंगे,
नहीं रहेगा.
लेकिन we can guess, no, उसके बाद.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
Yeah, we can
let's
guess.
go for Alankrita. Let both of us are putting it straight this way that are you a content
Content
writer?
writer.
Partial. Very close. Very close.
See, copywriting is also
Also
content.
content.
Right? Yeah, actually, content writing is also a small umbrella. So under content we have
The way she's laughing, Alagrita, are you a copywriter?
Yes, I am a copywriter.
Oh yeah, y'all got it. एकदम 9th question में, and y'all were going in the right direction. Like 9 questions, y'all have
Commented
got
on the way they planned it.
8 questions right. I mean, this was great, man. This was great. So,
No, actually,
yeah,
these are the some
See-
basic professions.
seriously, are you a copywriter?
I mean, are you
Yes.
seriously talking?
Yes, yes. I am a
Oh,
copywriter.
when I heard her name, you know why I jumped directly into writing is because there's a very famous screenwriter director who's like after your name only, no, Alankrita
Yes, my name.
Srivastava, who's
Yes.
like
Correct,
so.
Yes.
correct. Yes.
I,
yes,
I I was like, you know, it was like hitting in my head. अच्छा Srivastava, Alankrita, okay. Screenwriter बोलती मैं, लेकिन she self-employed नहीं है. So that is why I thought okay, and I just went to.
So many people have called me after Lipstick Under My Burqa release. They're like, Alankrita, you got into direction. I'm like, she's my namesake. Not me, but
Yeah,
but
even after like Bombay Begums and all, I watched all
When
those.
you said that you are not self-employed, initially I thought you were somewhere into analysis, business analysis, or because you have specs. I know it's very stereotyped. We are also having specs, but still, I actually thought that she's
No, but
into business analysis.
something serious, right? We have specs because we are also into something serious.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So Alankrita, where are you
Serious,
working
I
right
mean,
now?
but
I'm
when you
working with
say that your
Infinity
job is not
Advertising.
boring,
Sorry. So I'm working with Infinity Advertising. It's been a
Oh.
long association with them.
Okay. So, if I may ask, what was your first job in copywriting? I'm sure it was advertising only. First job, if you can just walk down the memory lane a little bit.
My first job was with mensxp.com when it was in a very initial stage when digital was not digital today. So it was in its nascent stage when I started off. So I was an intern at mensxp.com, and advertising was something that happened. It was a happy accident for me. I never thought I would get into copywriting and then become a copywriter. I started as a content writer and then got into copywriting. But now I love advertising. That's something I cannot live without. Though, yes, as you said, I
Also,
have
you were
sleepless
partially
nights.
correct.
But yes, I love my job.
And I purposely did not introduce Shubhrojit and Madhavanti a lot and what they are doing right now in the initial stages because I wanted, so to keep the best for the last. And, these guys, Shubhrojit and Madhavanti, they are actually professors right now, very educated, very erudite persons. And I would request them to please share the journey from students to professionals and now professors. So if you could please.
So for me, it's been a very a weird journey in the sense I did my graduation from St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. So I was studying mass communication and videography there. So in St. Xavier's, people walk in with big dreams like कल ही मेरे को जाके Quentin Tarantino बनना है. I mean, mind you, Quentin Tarantino, nothing less than that. ठीक है? So the first day I walked in, people are talking about like they have like finished Bergman and all, and I'm like, hum kahan hai? You know, the last film I probably watched was of Raj Chakraborty or something. I was like, why am I here and what am I doing here? So then I started studying because I chose the field, and towards the end of the course, I had a professor, Shubhadeep Rai Choudhury, SRC. So he was asking us, what is your plan ahead because this is your last semester and all. So before I could comment, he said, "Acha, you too will study. You will go for higher studies. No, you're so good." And before that, I had no plans of doing any kind of higher studies, and it kind of hit me because he was my, very favorite professor and all. So I said, okay, fine, I'll probably think. So after graduating, as everybody was, in that working spree, and I also started working, and I started working as a content writer only. So then after after a year, I realized that no, academics is somehow pulling me. I mean, I miss that thing that I have to go home, study, prepare for exams, and I'm like missing that. I've never been a brilliant student or something, but I have been very attached to academics since childhood. And I realized that I want to go back, and I went to Bombay. I did my master's from Mumbai University, and there I kind of got into the hang of research. Like I'll have to, get into it, and I started writing papers, presenting papers here and there, and that kind of and I got a job with the local college as an academic associate. I mean, like teaching associate something. So from there, the zeal came. Okay, I mean, I also want to teach and all. But teaching, let me tell you, getting into academics is not as easy as people think that last option रह गया मेरा school में पढ़ाना. ऐसा नहीं है, you know. You have to be very qualified, and you have to, especially in media, you have to be very qualified, and you have to work a lot before you kind of prove your worth to a private college or you know, let's forget government, because it has a lot of exams that you have to go through. So I came back to Kolkata. I was doing content because that's the, you know, after my masters, I was working in Bombay in PR, but I kind of did not, you know, I could not continue because my mom was not doing well, and I had to come back. And I mean, I also wasn't fitting, you know, in that particular environment, because I was too much into theaters and all. I was missing all that. So I came back to Kolkata. And I'm very much of a Bengali, actually. Can't survive outside Kolkata for long.
Okay.
I came back and everybody started criticizing me because I was working with 2020 MSL, and like, which is a part of Publicis. So they're saying Publicis ka PR chhod ke you come back to Kolkata with this, there's nothing. I said, yeah, but my cultural root is there, and I'm very, very attached to my root and all. So I started working here as a content writer, aise kuch gali ke, you know, all those companies you have. But I had bigger dreams. I wanted to do academics seriously and all. So, you know, after working there for some time, I kind of got my first big break at academics. I started teaching in WLCI. It's Wigan and Lee College, Calcutta. And I was a visiting faculty there. So with that experience, I got into iLead College, Tokshia. I started teaching there, and that was a, you know, huge journey. And while doing there, you know, while teaching there, I cleared my net, which was the first go. And then I got into Alia University for my PhD. I got enrolled there. And suddenly the pandemic came upon us, and my PhD also got a bit stalled and all. And I was thinking, you know, we are so stuck and everything. And I saw that St. Xavier's University is looking for APs. So I'm like, okay, I mean, they have very high-end requirements and all, but CV डालने में क्या जाता है? So I dropped my CV and all, and they called me for an interview. So I went there with having zero expectations and all, but I got selected, and it was like going back to my alma mater, because I started my journey with St. Xavier's and went back there as on the other side of the days. That's like, it's been a dream journey for me. That's all I can say.
Yeah, my journey is more or less same to her, because a bit different in some way. Like, I born and brought up in a very small town called Dhanbad, the coal capital. I don't have any Bengali roots associated. I have the Bhojpuri and Kotha roots. So I don't even so well, you know.
Oh my God.
I read pathetic script I'm talking about, but I'm good in Hindi, and I love Hindi literature at the same time. So I've done my schooling in Dhanbad. Then I shifted to Kolkata for my graduation. I and Mirzada, both of us are in the same college. He was my senior at the NSHM Knowledge Campus. Both of us have studied Bachelor in Media Science. And समय पता नहीं था कि पढ़ना पड़ता है. We have got good grades. We passed our exam with flying colors, right? then I've got a job. It was not exactly a job, a kind of an internship. And Mirzada was also there with me at Radio High. Remember those days?
Right, Radio High.
Radio High. That was, yeah. So that time they have both of
they were famous.
Yeah. They've offered us a job at Shiliguri. But after that, I got selected at Vishwabharati for my masters, Shantiniketan. So I went to Shantiniketan. Then I realized after the first semester, when my grades actually shown its real colors, then I realized, oh, अच्छा पढ़ना पड़ता है. 8 points नहीं मिलता है. अभी 8 point का बच्चा 5 point पे आ गया अचानक से. Then I remember that particular novel by Chetan Bhagat.
Negative publicity कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को Macaut का teacher है अभी.
Then I actually came to realize that what 5 points someone actually meant. So what happened? Then after that, I started studying. because I have to, otherwise fail कर जाओगे. Central University वो pass नहीं कराएगी. And 75% attendance मतलब they mean it. Let me tell you.
Mean it.
They mean it. So I made sure that 75% पूरा करना है, and the rest 25% I will utilize 100% of those 25%. So I have bunked all the classes, 25% classes, and somehow I have managed the 75%. After that, I started working as a freelancer. I was into editing, video editing. So for one and a half year, I have done video editing as a freelancer. Then I realized कि नहीं ऐसे नहीं चलेगा because the industry is very unstable. I need a permanent and a stable job. Then again, I've landed up as a content writer. I've joined a company, a corporate company, typical corporate nine. Yeah, boring job. So I was an academic content writer. So while creating those academic content, gradually I've started taking interest in academics. That okay, if I'm making those academic contents, if I'm actually designing books for skill development and all, so it's some way or the other, it's intrigued my passion towards academia. While writing those academic content, I have realized that I too have the zeal towards academia. And then I have found a post at IIM Calcutta, Indian Institute of Management Calcutta. The post was called Teaching Associate. No idea kya hota hai ye. So I have applied. I've applied. And I have read the job descriptions that you have to create materials for your professors. I mean, all those course materials for students. I realized, oh, ये तो CAT वाले students are बहुत intelligent है. मैं क्या बनाऊंगा इनके लिए? But I have applied to that job, and I've got the job. After that, I started realizing what academic excellence is, what is it is actually meant. I mean, then after that, I started writing papers. I started assisting professors in their academic and research work. I have published one paper while working at IIM Calcutta. I started presenting research papers. उसके बाद लगा it's fun. ये अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को. After spending a year at IIM Calcutta, I shifted to Ahmedabad and joined IIM Ahmedabad, another IIM. And that time IIM Ahmedabad was the top. I think it's still number
Still
one IIM.
I
I
am
think it's still in
ABCD.
between
So
Bangalore. Yeah, no, Bangalore बीच में आया था first कुछ दिन के लिए. फिर मजा नहीं आया तो फिर एक और रख दिया ऊपर. हाँ मतलब वो chronology होना चाहिए ना alphabetic.
ABCD.
Yeah, actually, um, that's the point. So I spent 2 years at IIM Ahmedabad as an academic associate. The job role was a bit different. In Calcutta, it was a bit scattered, but in Ahmedabad, they're much more organized. You know, they're very specific. So I have joined the communication area at IIM Ahmedabad. So I served as an academic associate for 2 years. There I have presented 2-3 papers. I've assisted 5-6 professors into different courses. I mean, there are many different courses like strategic negotiation and how you negotiate with your client. There is a course, so I have assisted that course. तो पता चला अरे ये तो मम्मी बाजार में तो रोज करती है सब्जी वाले के साथ. But if you take that particular magnitude into a professional way, I mean, it's just like the same, but the way you are packaging it, right? The packaging is absolutely different. माने you're negotiating with the sabzi wala कि नहीं करेले की सब्जी मैं बनाऊंगी इतना खर्चा क्यों लगेगा. Same thing you're negotiating with the Google CEO कि no, I need 2.3% of share at this rate. It's just like that. So I'm just putting it in this way, but anyway.
Absolutely. That's the way people understand. Common people like me understand.
After that, I started dreaming that I will go abroad for my PhD. My professor, the professor whom I was assisting, he said that yes, you have the zeal and I can see the potential. You can work on it. I have a topic. I proposed to him that this is the topic I would like to on. I mean, I would like to present my PhD on this particular topic. Then he said, okay, so it's a very good topic. You just work on it, work on the methodology and all. I will give you an LOR, letter of recommendation. You can apply at Georgia, at Brunel, anywhere. Just drop your SOP, statement of purpose. Just go there. And suddenly, what happened to her? Same thing happened to me as well. My mother not well that time, so I had to come back to Kolkata. Fortunately, I've got a job, and right now I'm working there as well. I'm working at the Heritage Academy under the Heritage Group of Institutions. I'm working as an assistant professor. the Department of Media Science, the same course which I have studied in Kolkata 10 years back.
Yeah.
It's just like the
Life
same university,
seems circle.
back to square one.
Full circle.
Absolutely, absolutely. So the
Full
same course.
circle.
I think what happened when I was in my second semester at NSHM, while studying media science, then I had a very bad attendance. I mean, it was not even 30%. So, so, so our academic head, he called my mom that your son is not attending classes and all. And before that, I'm an engineering dropout. So I'm a dropout. I chose media science as a subject, and my attendance was low. My mom said, "What are you doing? What do you want to do in your life? You're not even doing engineering, and here also your attendance is not up to the mark."
In
The
NSHM,
same-
you were called. Your like auntie
Yes,
was called
yes.
in NSHM
Yeah,
for
no.
attendance.
Phone call. So the
Hey.
professor, she called my mom, and that she said that your son's attendance is not up to the mark. So please take care of him, otherwise he will be expelled or you won't be able to give the exam. Something, right?
Okay.
10 years later. Now I'm the
What
batch
story to
captain.
narrate, yeah? A
So 10
professor
years-
not studying is now a professor.
No,
Your
Does not
students
paint
are
the best
to know.
pictures. In
actually, so what happened? What happened? There is something called karma. I'm the believer of karma. So after 10 years, what happened? Now I'm a batch coordinator. 5 students of my batch, they have less attendance. And I have called their parents.
You're calling their
"Aapka
parents.
bachcha college mein nahi aa raha hai." And
the
I was-
funniest part is yet to come.
yeah, the funniest part is yet to come. While speaking to their parents, I felt very nostalgic. Wow, ये तो मेरे साथ भी हुआ है। मैंने भी ऐसे ही कॉला था। And the academic coordinator, the academic head, who actually called my mom 10 years back, now she's my boss right now.
She's the dean.
Okay, got it. Got it. Got it. Man. Got it.
And she said, "You're feeling nostalgic, right?" I said, yes, I
Great,
am.
man.
Oh God.
Great to know. I mean,
That's
That's my journey. Right now, I'm actually looking for my PhD. I mean, I have applied in 2 places. I have cleared written in one of the places under Aligarh Muslim University. So I'm just waiting for the interviews because this pandemic is actually taking a toll on everything. So the entire academic calendar went for a toss. Let's wait. Let's see. That's it.
school colleges are yet to open in full swing, of
Yes,
course.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
what's happening actually in the education sphere? Like as professors, like do you think this is going to continue for the next year as well, or something alternative, or online education is the future? So it's better. The better we embrace, the easier, faster we embrace, the better it is. What do you think?
You want to know?
Yeah. But see,
We had a debate, right?
yeah.
We keep debating on this, whether it is the future or it's just a temporary
See,
solution.
I cannot really call something that has been going on for 2 days temporary, 2 years temporary, because online education now has been there for 2 years at a stretch. And let's not forget that there have been like many people, 2 batches at least, who have like passed out with whatever exam system is now existing. And I don't have, very frankly speaking, much faith in that kind of exam system, because it definitely has to be polished. And a lot of people have been saying that online education already existed, but I don't know how much of that is a reality in India, because India is very, very new to this entire system. Of course, USA is always doing it, and I think the IIMs in India have already been doing it for a long time. But then that's only the IIMs. Like they're like the cream people, and they have all the privileges.
They have their separate infrastructure, right?
Yeah.
They are using Zoom and
Yes,
Google
right.
Meet. They have their own.
They have their own software. So what I, as a professor in institutes where we have scholarship students also, where we have rich students also, what I have seen that the digital divide is very, very evident there, because I had students from Midnapur who traveled to Kolkata, and probably they were putting up at a hostel. Of course, after the lockdown and everything, their parents, they decided to take them back to Midnapur, Pashkura and in all these places. So let me tell you that in terms of owning money, or in terms of whether they have higher aspirations, of course they do have. Like rural village hai ya फिर rural area hai, तो aspirations nahi hoga. That's the galat baat hai ye. I mean, that's absolutely not the case. But what they cannot escape is the place that they are living in. So what has happened is, I know a very dear student of mine. She was devastated during Amphan, and her whatever house that she lives in, it was shattered and everything. Wi-Fi chodiye, no 4G connection was also there. So she was definitely going through a very difficult time. So I have a student from Kashmir right now, who's from Kashmir. So even during the pandemic period, just because she took admission in a Kolkata university, she had to like come all the way to Kolkata, look for a PG, stay here, because in Kashmir people are still relying on 2G connection. So the point is, uh, online education ke liye the basic infrastructure that is required, that's yet to be there in India. And I was just going through the percentages and data. 36 point some percent of people have the access to all the facilities like smartphones or laptop or internet connection in India. And the way we look at everything is from a very privileged point of view. We think that it's very cool, very easy. This is about the poverty, and this is about the affordability of education system. If we go beyond that, if we even think about the privileged section only, they also come to the online classes with their camera off, okay, and of course with on mute. So we don't know whether they're at all listening to us.
Yeah.
And
we just know the logos.
yeah, we just know
Their
their logo.
initials.
Yes, their initials. So
Initials.
say for example,
Mirza Ali, that's a M.
M.
A. So
M.
we are
So
actually
I am teaching an M.
True.
So that this is a very difficult thing, because when we are also, the screen time itself is like killing us. See, we all wear specs over here. So the kind of screen time we are exposed to.
There is a medical reason behind why this particular mode is not amicable, because there are many research papers on medical journal which says that we have pupils in our eyes, right? So the pupils, the contraction and the expansion of pupils are not normal because of the increasing screen time, right? So what is happening? The attention span is decreasing because of that, because our body is not used to this, right? Even I I have lost my C5 and C6. I am having spondylitis right now because for the last 1.5 years I'm doing this continuously. So from medical reason also, this is not feasible. So you cannot concentrate properly. You cannot give your 100% because your body is not supporting this, right? So this increasing screen time is not only hampering your concentration, but also the longevity as far as your career is concerned. That's a big concern.
Also, the kind of education that we are looking forward to right now is very futuristic in nature. In the sense, it kind of wants to talk about technological advancement and everything, which kind of requires a practical oriented teaching. Whereas the kind of subjects that we are teaching, the kind of subjects that probably a lot of other institutes are teaching, which is not our subject, that requires a practical orientation in the teaching curriculum. So that is something that we are not being able to do over online education. Think for this particular subject. I believe you have also studied this stage production.
Yeah, I'm teaching it. I'm
Right?
teaching it.
And he's teaching it. I was teaching it when I was in with iLead. So there's a practical part in it.
Yes.
Right.
Okay, in stage production. How can you teach stage production over Zoom classes? Tell me now. Okay.
Absolutely.
Say for example, camera. Editing तक हो जाता है, लेकिन कैमरा सिखानी है. How can you do that over Zoom classes? You can't, until and unless you give that touch and feel experience to your students. They are learning, but they are halfway learning. Even
Think
we
about those science students, the chemistry honors students.
हाँ, lab का काम.
अभी वो घर में टेस्ट ट्यूब में सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड डाल रहा है या गोमूत्र डाल रहा है, we don't know, right? So
Right.
there is a huge gap.
There's really a huge gap, and also there's another thing that I would like to mention is that as teachers, as professors, of mass communication media, we've been very, very vocal in our classes as to, the surroundings, the situations of the country, the world politics, international politics, everything. And classes used to be a very specific zone, a very particular zone, a platform where we had those kinds of conversation that we could have. Now everything is recorded, classes and everything. So you have your documents and everything. So you also have to think twice before you say certain things. And what happens is that your flow of conversation gets very, very restricted. ऐसे teaching नहीं हो सकता. I mean, it's very
Maximum meme बन सकता है.
meme teaching नहीं हो सकता.
I
can
agree.
understand that because my mom and my sister both are teachers. There's my mom is a principal now, but she also takes classes, and she has the same thing. And I'm like, she's not even from our generation. She struggles, and that, but then she's learning her ropes now. And my sister, she has the same complaint कि मैं कैमरे से मैं किसी नाम के initial से बात नहीं कर सकती. Please switch on your cameras, and kids don't switch on. It's difficult to map.
You can't make them, no? You just have to wait for them.
One day I have asked one of the kids that please switch on your camera, please. I can't teach you like this. Then he said that, sir, I'm on a commode, so right now I can't. So now due to this,
yeah, he was taking a dump.
Yeah.
And
I said that's commendable. I really appreciate your multitasking behavior. I mean, that's amazing. While on Komoot, you are also taking my lecture, so I'm glad.
I attend my meetings on it. I know.
Such dedicated students and copywriters we have in today's generation. I mean,
the client is kept on saying something, and I'm like, yaar, mujhe jaane de. I can't even say that, I can patch after later, a little later. So I was like, oh God, I used to switch off my camera. I'm like, I'm switching off the camera for certain reason. And I go and sit there. They're like, Alankita, your voice is echoing now.
yesterday, so we got a survey link from the HR person, and there were only two questions. One was, are you vaccinated, first shot or second shot, and the second was, are you willing to come to office, yes or no? So 75% of the people, they said yes. Before, if you go back 2 years, 2 years back, people, were dying to go work from home, or at least, one day or twice a week, they wanted to work from home. But now situations are different because there is no, there is no personal life, there's no professional life. Everything is just life.
absolutely.
This term work from home has completely changed into home for work now.
True.
Yes.
Now we should reconsider this, because now our bedroom is our workstation. So
Right.
there is no dichotomy
No,
between your workplace and your
I
home.
completely agree with Mirzada when he was saying, I mean, पहले admission duty होता था हमारे college university में. Nobody was interested to come, you have to ask everyone, come na. Now people are like, no, I don't have a problem. I'll come to the university. Because we also are dying to go out, it's been so long that we've not sat on those chairs. I to joined in pandemic. I don't even know which my workstation is, because I have just gone there, sat anywhere whenever I had to, because it's very haywire, and we wanted to go back. Lekin, the third wave is coming and everything, and it's going to be fatal towards people who are under 18. So they have not been vaccinated as of yet. So we cannot even take that risk. It's been a toss.
So what I was saying, that last week I went to my college just before we went to Mumbai for some work. So that too after 6 months, and I was like Karan Arjun ka Arjun ki. वहाँ पे एक टपरी हुआ करता के दुकान थे, and in the background I can listen to the song. सूरज कब तू so it's like that.
No, I don't like going to office. I feel like being at home. I have become such a home person now that I don't want to go back to office. I'm like, yaar, ek din bhi jana hota hai. I'm like, oh God, the worst part is to get up and get dressed. I don't like that part. You want me to come in pajamas? I am like, okay, but getting up and getting dressed for office is so dreadful. I'm like, why do I have to ask this question, what to wear today again? I don't want to answer that question now.
Yeah, even when I went, I was in my slippers actually. My boss said, "What is this?" I said, "Oops, ye nikalna bhul gaye, sorry." So that's the hangover which we are having for the last 1.5 years.
Yeah, I completely, get what you guys are saying, because it definitely becomes difficult, because I live in the southernmost part of the city, and my university is in the westernmost, sorry, eastern, northeastern
Not this
part of the city.
international.
International हो गया वो. So I don't have any straight connectivity other than the university का bus that they provide. और वो छूट गया तो गया. So I understand, but even then, sometimes I would like to go, because I still want to walk through the gates. क्या होता है? So, like I said, I joined in the pandemic, and I don't know why people still think that I don't look like the professor, but I look more like the student. So every time I try to, go through the gate, so the security guard over there will stop me. अबे क्यों आए हो? Students allowed नहीं है. I'm like, faculty hai. And until every day they would ask for this iCard, जो कि mandatory है for Xavier students. And I'm like, I feel so ashamed to say हम faculty है. It's okay, pandemic में join किया, लेकिन पहचान लो यार, because they have only seen me with a mask.
There is a suggestion. जब भी आपको कोई रोके, आप सिक्योरिटी को बोलना, क्या भाई संतूर का ऐड नहीं देखा है?
संतूर वाली मम्मी, संतूर वाली टीचर,
संतूर वाली टीचर.
अरे यार, every day की story है.
Cool. Just hope that things become normal very soon. Though we don't see it being normal very soon, but still it's time.
Not in the coming year, I believe.
Absolutely, it's just hope and pray. This is the only two things that we can do, and rest. Just take care of ourselves and our loved ones. That's all that we can do. Otherwise, life is boring. But let's make it fun. Trying to do certain things which we can do within the confinements of our own home. This is what we can do right now. Copywriting and content writing, these are professions that we can fortunately do within closed walls. So these professions have not suffered so much. And of course, but yes, as professors, I'm
Salary
sure.
नहीं मिलता है रे. What are you saying? We have not suffered so much. We haven't got a salary properly, but we are talking about.
salary नहीं मिलता. अच्छा, ऐसा भी हुआ है. Okay.
नहीं, वो जो कंटेंट जो रिसीव कर रहा है उनका काम बंद है ना. तो अभी क्या हो रहा है ना, कंटेंट का पाइल अप हो रहा है.
Exactly.
पाइल अप होके अभी वो जैसे वो ऑयल प्राइस माइनस में गया था ना, वो चल रहा है अभी हमारा.
अपने ब्लॉग तो लिखते हैं, लेकिन खरीदने वाला कोई है नहीं.
खरीदने वाला कोई नहीं है.
That's true.
Professions, सारे professions तो like they are hit somehow or the other. Like nobody is at peace. I am sure nobody is at 100%. So we just have to wait and see when things can work out, and we can be at our best. The world becomes a healing zone rather than a patient zone, and hospitals are vacant. Schools are, schools are बोलते ना, hospitals बर्बाद हो जाए, and the education homes आबाद हो जाए. This is what one of the teachers said to me yesterday. But again, let's see how things turn up. Let's take good care of ourselves, and thank you so much for being here, sacrificing your time on a Sunday morning.
Thank you for inviting us in the first place.
Anytime, Subrajit was always in my list when I, when the conceivance of this particular format happened. So I had made a list of 20 people, and he was there in the 7th or 8th, because I divided it into school, college, university, and workplace.
Okay.
So NSHM में तो था ही. He was always.
So I should thank you for making me 7th or 8th plus 1.
You came along. Like I told Surajit that I would be glad if she, comes. She's a professor and erudite person, of course. So I was apprehensive with whether you will come or not, because
अरे नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Very sporty.
I'm very sporty. I'm very.
Right. You are. Acha, Subrajit, I have one question. You are here. So who's cooking lunch?
Both of us.
We
have already
finished
cooked
cooking
50%.
Yeah.
Now the 50% is remaining.
Okay.
We will
Doing the dishes.
Yeah.
Nice. Great enough.
We actually run Ariel ka campaign at home. Share the load.
absolutely.
I'm
Great, that's
glad.
great.
Because
So
I'm
this
glad.
is something all those patriarch people on the other side, they have that tight chonk gay.
Bingo, man, bingo. That's really great. Really, it feels good. It really
now
feels
I
good.
miss Rahul. Looking both of you, I now miss Rahul.
I will say नाम तो सुना ही होगा, but then याद तो आया ही होगा. So call him.
yes, I
Do
now
something.
miss him.
Great, man. Great. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you so much once again for being here. Thank you so much for your time, and very soon we'll meet up, hopefully in person. Whenever I'm in Delhi, whenever I'm in Calcutta, I'll
Yeah. Give us a call, brother.
Yeah, absolutely.
catch
Give
up.
us a call. Let's catch up. Absolutely.
I will for sure, definitely. Great, thank you so much for being here once again, and take care. All the best. God bless.
Thank you. All the best
Thank
to
you so
all of
much.
you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.